So we're here again, Jacksonland Imagination, and fail. I'm here with Raining Sport. Yep, subscribe. We're doing sports. Don't forget to subscribe to who, Noah? Raining Sports. Yep. Get the fuck back here. Okay, I got the ball. He's gonna fail. He's gonna fail miserably. Told ya. Told ya. Caleb? Damn. There you go. There you go, buddy. Are you part of his channel?
Oh! Hey, how this happen?
No, how the fuck did you catch 2 fish?
Huh?
How the fuck did you catch 2 fish? He caught 3? Did you catch any, Caleb? After the video? Wow, so Noah's just trying to show it off for the people, huh? For the YouTubers. Noah, you realize that 3 of your subscribers actually are me?
Yo, so 55 other ones are real?
Yeah. What? Noah cut them out because he cut out all of them. The video said that Noah won 2-0. So Raining Sports, Noah Aiken is a sore loser. Yeah, I'll ask Jordan. He's gonna say Noah's a sore loser. Why didn't you do music for that one? What the fuck is that? Oh, it's apple juice. Applesauce. Is it applesauce? It's applesauce. Motherfucking applesauce. I'm squeezable. It says on the thing I'm squeezable and it's fucking wet. No, I think we just drove out everybody over there. We're like, fuck this, I'm leaving. And I'm yelling at Noah for not being advertiser friendly. Why don't you throw the ball? It's a basketball, not a soccer ball. Oh, like a. What are you? Okay, no, catch. I'm gonna throw a football. Who's ready to catch? All right, I'm used to doing it like this. But,
It's my ball.
did you find those on the ground? Noah's eating garbage. Ah! Fuck, he tried to kill me with a football. He's got Fritos, fat ass. I'm on a cleanse right now. Yeah, you're eating Fritos? I'm gonna show this to your mom. Noah's eating Fritos.
Yeah, bro.
Thanks. Oh, and Caleb, he's trying to help you. You have a problem. You have a problem, bro. Look at that. Show him in his mouth running away. Oh, abuse. That's not advertiser friendly. Everybody's gonna know that you're a dick. Especially after you cut out all your friends' catches. What? Oh, well, apparently he's a liar. So Caleb's a liar. Noah's not really a sore loser. Although he probably really is.
I technically told the truth.
He is?
I lied and then I told the truth.
Yeah, true. He's not a liar anymore. Congratulations. How does it feel to not be a liar? Oh, wow. Fuck you. Alright, so apparently because my computer, I just turned in my computer, I can't edit this, so I have to do it all in one shot. Noah Aiken, Raining Sports, just stole Caleb's scooter.
You said my last name?
Noah Aiken. Don't worry. There's like a million Noah Aikens in the world.
No, there's not.
There's more than one.
Cut that shit out.
Noah Aiken from. I'm gonna say the name of the town if you don't take that back.
Dude,
I'm gonna say where you live. I know your address.
you're redoing that video, whole video right now.
No, no, not. I'm not.
Jackson Denver from Omaha, Nebraska.
Oh, that means they know where you live.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's 8911 Decatur. Bitch. Now I'm